welcome back to the channel. So this is the Ipsy video that I was talking about that I wanted to do. Sorry, the dog's shaking over there. Anyway, this is our Ipsy Glam bag from January 2020. This will be our last bag. I will go ahead and show you what I received. Like I said, we will not be getting this bag or anything Ipsy associated again. The first thing I got was from Luxy Beauty. This is their fan brush. I've gotten a few fan brushes. I don't really use them, but it is a Luxy brush, so I will keep it. This is what the glam bag looks like this month. It is cute. It is a different feeling than some of the bags I've received before. Does have the little Ipsy tab to open it. Our card in here. Funny how the theme is clean slate. We are starting a definite clean slate with no more Ipsy. Inside gives us a rundown of our products and what we received. So the first thing I received was from, there goes the dogs, from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is a lipstick in the color Envy. The tip is prep lips with an exfoliating scrub to get them smooth. Sugar and honey works wonder in a pinch. This is a full size. The value of this is $18. That is what it looks like outside. And that is the color. So that is a definite color that I will wear. So this is a value of $20. This was also a full size, my bad, and the value of this was $18. The next thing I got was this was my pick. I'm not going to go into all the details of Ipsy, how much it is, the choices, all of that, since I will no longer be doing Ipsy. So this is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, Makeup Erasing and Deep Cleansing. This is a deluxe sample. The value of this for the full size would be $34, which is 160 milliliters. This is 15 milliliters or 0.5 fluid ounces. To use as a clarifying mask, apply a layer to clean, dry skin and rinse after 5 minutes. So I've not tried this cleanser. It is safety sealed, so I'm not going to open it. But I love the smell of blueberry, and Glow Recipe has been very good to me so far. The next thing we got is a mascara in the color Blackout. This is Lash Next Door from Brooklyn and Bailey. So this is a deluxe sample. The value of this for full size would be $18. For a wide-eyed effect, wiggle the mascara wand horizontally through your lashes from root to tip. And that is what that wand looks like. And then the last item in here is from Too Faced Cosmetics. This is the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. The full size of this at 40 milliliters is $34. For a quick pick-me-up, warm some between your fingers and press onto your face over makeup. What? I don't know that I would put that on over my makeup. Primers need to be put on underneath your makeup, so that is what it says. So that was their boo-boo, I'm sure. You don't put your primer onto your face over makeup. Don't do that. So this is a 5 milliliter or 0.16 fluid ounce. So there was our products from our January bag of our last Ipsy bag. Along with the bag, which they value these bags at $18. I don't know if I agree with that, but that is what they say. So, in the rest of this video, I just want to go over exactly what has happened with Ipsy. Now, I've been with Ipsy since August of 2017. Ipsy was my first subscription box, even before I started my channel. I loved Ipsy. Ipsy was it. I mean, there was nobody that could do any better than Ipsy. If you don't know who Get This Glowing is, do go over and check out her Ipsy videos. Now, she has all the excitement that I used to have when I got my Ipsy products. She's still in love with Ipsy. But I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Ipsy bag. Ipsy bag. Just how long I've been with Ipsy. And all the memories of the bags that we've received. That is an old bag. I mean, I've been with Ipsy for a very, 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 very long time. I did not want to give them up. And even Glam Plus. This was December's, the Glam bag, the Plus, and the Ultimate. The Glam bag, the Ultimate. There's a good stack of bags here that shows my excitement and combined effort to give Ipsy a chance in my life. Now, I will be putting a screenshot. I'm just moving y'all all over. A screenshot of the email that I received from Ipsy. I will go ahead and read it to you. But I did contact them on Twitter. The 1st of January says, thanks for reaching out. Please choose the reason you're contacting us and we'll connect you with an Ipsy Care agent. So I received the same product in my December bag that I received in November, which was the Rocky Mountain nail polish. On the 2nd of January, I checked your account and I don't see that you were assigned any repeat products. Can you please specify which box you received with product? I'd be happy to further investigate. So I told them I received nail polish in my Plus or my regular bag. Then the next month I received it in my Ultimate. Your company promises no repeats, and I did get a repeat plus leftovers from November for December. And on the 7th of January, I received, hi Becca, thanks for reaching out. I can see that you have all 3 of our Ipsy memberships. Thanks for your amazing support. I can see that you did receive the same nail polish Rocky Club or Color Club in Rocky Mountain High in 2 different memberships. I wish we could, but currently we cannot promise that you'll never receive the same bag or some of the same products for all of your memberships. We always try to avoid sending duplicate items to the same member, but our Ipsy Match team does not optimize bags for multiple memberships for the same person. We may take this into consideration for the future, so thank you for the suggestion. In the meantime, this is the part I want y'all to listen to and think about. In the meantime, if you'd prefer not to risk the possibility of receiving some of the same items for each of your memberships, you might want to just keep 1 or 2 memberships, or we can opt you out of certain categories to prevent getting them as often. Let me know if you have any other questions and I'll be happy to help. I was blown away at that response. My response back was, are you kidding me? I've been with your company since August of 2018. I unbox your boxes every month on my YouTube channel. And the best you can tell me is to drop a subscription or 2 with y'all. Is this really how you're going to handle this matter? I am beyond mad at this point and super shocked at your response. I believe I will share your kind, caring words with my subscribers to let them know exactly how you deal with your customers. This is beyond ridiculous, and you know better as a business. I would like a replacement product for the nail polish, and then yes, I believe I will think about my continued subscription with your company, waiting to hear back. So, then I sent them a picture of the nail polishes. It says, we occasionally repeat popular products that we know you'll love, but it's rare that you'll receive the same product twice. In November 2019, our records show that you received the Color Club nail polish in Rocky Mountain High in both your November Classic Glam Bag and your December Glam Bag Ultimate. We definitely want you to be able to try out unique products each month, but we're sorry we couldn't make this happen this time. I went ahead and issued you a $5.46 partial refund to make up for your disappointment. You should see the funds back in your account within 5 to 7 business days. Thanks for checking in with us about this. If there's anything else you need, please let us know. To which I've never had a problem with Ipsy. They've done wrong. They've sent me a new product. Nothing like this. I didn't ask for a refund. I just wanted the product, a different product for what I paid for. I said, I don't understand why this has been so difficult, and a partial refund of $5.46 is again ridiculous. It's an $8 fingernail polish. All I wanted was a different product sent to me, which has always been the case before when your company makes a mistake. I have watched as your company has went downhill for a minute now, which is sad. The fact y'all base your advertisement for influencers for free, well, this is exactly what I plan to do. I am canceling all my Ipsy subscriptions and making a buyer's beware video to show exactly how your company customer service handles mistakes. 2017 to now is a while to lose a customer over a product. It says, thank you for your response. We issued you a partial refund for the Ultimate Glam Bag for the Color Club nail polish because that is the cost you paid for that product. Our glam bags contain beauty items that retail for more than the Ipsters pay to receive them. The nail polish may retail for $8.50, but with your Ultimate membership, you only paid $5.46 for that product. We do understand the frustration and confusion and have shared your experience with our team so our Ipsy match algorithm can improve. We also notice you have not canceled your Glam Bag Plus or your Glam Bag Ultimate. You have only paused them. We don't want to see you go, but do appreciate the feedback. So, there is my video. I don't know how they can have a business and not take into account customers having a bad experience and not fixing it. Their answer was for me to just cancel 1 or 2 of my subscriptions. Let me know down below in the comments, am I being too rough with Ipsy? Or should I stand on exactly what I did and canceled? I did cancel every one of my subscriptions. I will no longer be doing Ipsy, which kind of bums me out. I do love the add-on feature, but I can't stand behind a company that doesn't stand behind me. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch it. Do share, like, and subscribe. It does help the channel. And think about where you're spending your money. Is Ipsy really the best subscription box for you? Knowing that you can see for yourself in the video, just let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear them. So until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.